Stay away from everything box, bottle, bag, and can, all the crap that the food manufacturers are making in a manufacturing plant. That's
Yeah.
not food, and that's what's killing us. Yeah, and people try to make this so hard. They're reading all these ingredient labels and shit. Is this healthy? Is this healthy? It's like, just eat the stuff that doesn't have a label.
Right.
Real meat, real fruit, real vegetables. They don't have labels, and God made them for you. It keeps your body healthy. Our entire world, we all live off each other. Just like we breathe in oxygen and get rid of CO2, and the plants breathe in CO2 and get rid of oxygen. We all work together, except for all this stuff that the man's making with all these chemicals and everything. That is unnatural to our body, which is why we have the inflammation like what you had all over
Yeah.
your body. And people
Yeah.
are telling them, oh, you have rheumatoid, just like what you had. What probably my
PMR.
but yeah, polymyositis is what it is. And then they just say rheumatoid because I don't know, it's something inflammatory. That's all it says. You have a lot of pain and there is because of inflammation.
Yeah.
That's all that term meant. That's all that meant. It's done. Now, where's the inflammation come? You ask somebody in the medical group now because that's what we were taught. I was the same way. I was the same way for 30 years. It's just that's the stuff that just happens. We don't know why, but we do have drug to take care of it. Now that I'm out of that system, and if I
Ye
know exactly why we're inflamed everywhere. Stop
Yep.
that and you'll feel so much better.
Yeah.
It is. You got to look at who's making money. If you hear somebody preaching something to you, find out who's making money off this, and they cannot make money off of natural food. They're nowhere near the money they can use by making everybody eat a bunch of chemicals and tell them that's all natural and that's all healthy. It's a lie, and your body knows it. And that's why your body gets inflamed and it's trying to fight all this stuff. It's like, what are these chemicals you're putting in my body?
Yeah.
And that's what sets up the immune response. That's what inflammation is. Inflammation is actually very good for your body. You want the inflammatory response. If you get a thorn in your finger or you get a broken leg or pneumonia, the inflammatory process, that's your white blood cell. That's your army coming in to fight to get rid of this crap. You
Right.
sit here and eat this stuff all day long, every single day. You've got your army sitting there working constantly, and it does wear out, and it doesn't work as well when you do that. It's like,
Right.
just quit putting your body through such horrible things all the time, and then wonder why you feel like crap all the time.
Yeah. Yeah. So there's a gal that I work with, and she has a farm and she sells eggs. So I've been buying five dozen eggs from her every Friday. And
That
then so what I actually picked them up early. I picked them up today. As I'm picking them up, she goes, "Hey, tell me about that diet you're on." You know?
really.
Yeah. And
Did
so
you
I
say it's not a diet, it's a lifestyle change?
well, that's what I told her, but that's what she said. "Tell me about that diet that you're on." I'm like, "Let me tell you." And so we talked for quite a bit, and "Yeah, that's what I wanna do." You
Did you
know?
tell her to get my book?
Yes, I did. Matter of fact, I'm telling you, man, I need royalties from your book. It's invaluable, the information that you've given me, man, through this journey, and I'm so appreciative of your insight and your compassion for it and just your help, man. You're always right there to talk to me about it, and it's
You were
yeah, this is
you were a different
incredible.
one. Working with pain, working with blood pressure and working with diabetes, those are all easy. Those are like, "Oh, yeah, you can get rid of this." But when you have the pain, there's all kinds of things that can do that. It usually is inflammatory. So stopping the inflammation was the big thing in you. And the inflammation, fructose definitely is extremely inflammatory to your body. That's one
Yeah,
of the things that gets metabolized. So anything with sugar and anything with high fructose corn syrup, you're getting fructose. And if you eat a lot of fruits, you're getting fructose in it. And a lot of those actually that gets turned into uric acid. The fructose does. Some of it gets turned into uric acid. Some of it gets turned into inflammatory mediators, which actually causes the inflammation. But the majority of it gets turned straight into fat.